Hey everybody, Mrs. Bianchi. We're looking at number 4, and the directions are to find the decimal equivalent for 8 and 39/40ths. So we have a couple options for how we can do this. One option is to turn this whole thing into an improper fraction and rethink it as something 40ths. The unfortunate thing with doing that is you're going to get big numbers if you do that. So probably the easier way to approach this is to know that this is going to be equal to 8 point something. But how do you get the something? So we need stuff after the decimal. We would take the 39 and divide it by the 40. So we're taking the 39 and we're dividing it by the 40. You should be writing that on your piece of paper right now, and pause it if I'm going too fast. So now we need to know that we need to add some decimals here. Let's add a few. How about 3? That's usually the recommended amount to start with. All right, so 40 would not go into 3, and it will not go into 39. So we have to go into 390. So let's say you're not good at estimating. If you're not good at estimating, then they recommend that you start finding your multiples using the number 5 as your first factor. So let's try that. So this times this you get 0. This times this you get 20. Now if I put the 5 here and I subtract, am I going to get more than 40 left over? I would. So that number's too small. So let's try to make try a bigger number. Like how about the number 8 or even 9? Let's try 9. So here we get the 0 and here we get the 36. So that looks like a good choice, right? Because we have to go into 390. So we're going to put the 9 here and we'll put the 360 here. And subtract. All right, so here we get the 0. Here we get the 3, so now this is nothing. So 30 is less than 40, so that proves that that was a good choice. All right, so now let's bring down the next number. Now we know that 9 is going to be too big, so how about we try a 7? Let's try 7. 40 times 7. Here we get the 0, and here we get the 28, so that looks like it's going to be a good choice. Put the 7 here, and put the 280 here, and subtract. Okay, so you're going to pick it up from there, subtract, bring the next number down, and finish up. Okay, so figure out what this, and if it doesn't work out evenly, then you might have to add another 0. All right, good luck finishing, because remember, it's going to be 8 point, and then 9, 7, and then whatever this digit is.